This is number 30 in our homework for lesson 7-1, where we're asked to graph these linear relationships. And so once again, we see that we've got an equation that does not have a constant. There's nothing added to that 3x. So that means that we're adding 0. And any linear equation like that will always pass through the origin at 0, 0. We could verify that by substituting 0 in for x, and we'd have y is equal to 3 times 0, which is certainly 0. To find other points, though, that lie on this linear equation, we'll plug in different values for x. So maybe I decide to plug in 1 for x. Then y would have to be 3 times 1, which is 3. Maybe I decide to plug in 2 for x. Then y would have to be 3 times 2, which is 6. So I've got 3 points. Let's plot them and make sure they all lie on the same straight line. So the point 1, 3, I have to go to the right 1 and up 3. The point 2, 6, I have to go to the right 2 and up 6. And they do appear to all fit on the same straight line. So all solutions would be represented by the line that goes through those points, continuing on into infinity in both directions.